So let's get started with the problem statement that why we need Tableau Prep. If you have ever analyzed the data, you know the pain of digging into your data only to find that it is unstructured or inaccurate. You will spend time on fixing the data in dataset or writing complex calculation before you can answer a simple question. Data preparation is the process of getting data ready for analysis, such as data discovery, data transformation, and data cleaning tasks. And it's a crucial part of analytics workflow. A recent Harvard Business Review article reports states that people spend 80% of their time on cleaning data and 20% of their time on just analyzing it. It's a big issue for big businesses, even those who aren't directly performing data preparation tasks, like non-technical business users, feel the impact of unclean data. The amount of time and cost it takes to go from inaccurate data to actionable insights leads declining a trust in organization data, and because of slower processes can ultimately lead to missed opportunities and lost revenues. In fact, Gartner's research indicates that the average financial impact of poor quality on organization is almost 10 million per year. And this is where we need to have smart tools like Tableau Prep to take care those human errors. And this is what we are going to learn in this course with the help of Tableau Prep. With that said, let's have a look on course overview. In this whole video series, we will start our journey with the section 1, where we will have an introduction to Tableau Prep, why it is important, what are the features we have, what next things we can do, and everything with respect to ETL we'll get to know. Once that is done, in section 2, we will see on input step that what data I need, how I can plug that data to Tableau Prep, and what are the basic steps that I have with input step to plug that single file or multiple file for analysis. In the third section, we will understand data. We have multiple data sets, those we will understand, and we'll see what data problems that we have with that specific data. Those we will use for further analysis. In the fourth section, we will use clean step, and we will see how we can transform that data into usable format. In the section 5, we will merge those insights that we have created with the help of some transformation over input and clean and a transform. We'll combine those data, we'll merge those data to get a better insight from data inside this section. In the next section, with save your workflow, with this, we'll save those workflow extensions, and we'll see how we can directly plug our workflow to Tableau Desktop. Once we are comfortable with this input, transform, and saving our work, we will move ahead to the introduction to the business problem section, where I have multiple data sets. Those are unclean and unformatted data. There are many human errors, those are there. And we'll see how we can convert that whole data into usable format from scratch to the end. And in the last section, we will jump into the best practices for unclean data to get converted into a usable format. That is what we will see in this section. So who is the target audience for this whole course? Any person who is interested in data analytics field, or anyone who want to pursue a career in data analytics. And if you have no experience over ETL or a Tableau Desktop, this course is specially designed for you, where there is no requirement of prior experience of Tableau development or ETL development. We will cover those things in the hands-ons. So what else I need before starting? If you have basic knowledge of ETL and if you have data understanding experience, this will be a plus point. But if not, it's totally fine. We will cover each and everything and each and every perspective for each and every topic. You should have Tableau Prep installed on your PC or Mac. And if not, just go to Google, just search for Tableau Prep, go to Tableau website. From the website, just click on this try now. It will give you the 14 days trial. And if you are a student, just go ahead and submit your identity card to Tableau student website. You can use that whole product for 1 year for free with Tableau desktop or without Tableau desktop. It's up to you. Just pass your email ID and other personal information over here, and you are able to download Tableau Prep on your desktop. So in the next video, we will see what are the technical specifications are required, what is a new strategy, that is pricing strategy from Tableau, and how we can install Tableau.